Guys, in this video I'm going to share you how I generated more than 45k dollar with a conversion rate of more than 7 to 8% and within a span of 5 to 6 months in the last year during the COVID period, organically and with the help of SEO. So guys, my name is Rahul Singh and you guys are welcome in my YouTube channel called Ecomcram. So let's visit on my screen so that I can share the result with you right now so that you can trust me that I generated this kind of sales. Okay, so let's come on the analytics sections. You can see, okay, let's choose the date. I think most probably I started this store in 2020 and it was 5. Okay, let's check the 4. I'm not sure the date, so I'm taking 4, but most probably it was started in the 5th month, but not a big issue, you know. So let's take 2020, and I think it was closed in September, but October, but it's still not a big deal. Just let's take 11th, you know. So right now, guys, I am just taking this, you know. Guys, you can see that I have generated 44 more than 44k dollar, and also my conversion rate in the last year was 7.23%, and I generated more than 2319 dollar, you know. And 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 total visitor on this store was 31,000, and you can see, and my conversion returning rate of this customer was 4.15. You know, guys, all this all this result I generated during the peak corona period in the last year. You know, I stopped this store in October, November, December, most probably. You know, the reason was that, you know, because the item which I am selling on this item on this store, it's a summer product, so I have to close the store for around 3 to 4 months. So again I'm going to resume this store this year. But the main topic is that what I did in the last year. Even I okay, it is not possible. It is not easy task to generate the sales, you know, without paying any money to the ad. So, you know, I worked hard on the SEO level. So in SEO, there is called a backlinks. You know, for example, if you are selling any product and you just find a blogger, you know, who gets a lot of traffic, I just email them, you know, contact them politely and ask them to provide your link. And you can also ask them that you will give them, you know, 20% or 30%, profit sharing. You know, you can participate with that with them also. But if you can also ask them to affiliate, and if they're getting a good traffic, then believe me, guys, they're going to do affiliate. If you are going to give him 15% or 10% of the sales, you know, of the that product, you know. So this was the reason I just worked hard and I just did backlinks, you know. Backlinks, what do you mean by the backlink? Backlinks simple means that you are asking another website, another web address who receives a lot of, you know, lot of traffic, you know, and to provide your link in their description section as a backlink. So whenever customer read the articles about any product, about any review, so they click on the link and they will visit on your store, and it is become much higher chance you to get sales. You know, for example, if someone has written about review of any gadget, and they are providing your website link, that means if that website is getting more than, you know, 20k 30k visitor or blog, you know, that particular blog within a month. So, you know, uh, uh, so if that blog is getting more than 20k visitor, you know, in 1 month, so out of 20k, you are going to get around 20 to 25 orders organically from that single blog. So, and if you are able to find 6 to 7 you know, good blogger, you know, and good website who can provide your link. And also, let me tell you, and they will provide the backlink. Please do not pay money to the, you know, website owner to provide your your link. You know, please let me tell you, you know. And if they are adding your website as a backlink, then they will gain the domain authority, and in the SEO level, SEO things, domain authority matter. So guys, this is the thing which I wanted to share with you. But maybe after a couple of weeks, I'm going to make a separate video on the backlinks. So how to find a blog related to your product, related to your articles, or related to your things, you know. So, and there are many tools like ahref.com, and also there is moj.com. But in detail about the backlinks, I will just make a video, another video, you know, so that you can learn from it. I hope you have liked this video. And also, guys, if you want to learn about all those things in the coming year, in the coming days. So please subscribe the channel. So and also click on the bell icon. Because whenever I will upload the next video on the backlinks, so you will be able to learn it. You know, and there are a lot of requests from my audience right now that they want video on the backlinks, proper video, genuine video on the backlinks. So guys, please, again I'm going to tell you, please subscribe the channel so that you can meet me in the next video with new things about the e-commerce business. So guys, in the last I will just say thank you, and please do not forget to subscribe. Bye, tata, bye bye.